Welcome. Our topic coverage in this review questions is all about in the Book 2 of LTOM, specifically in Section 58, the tax on sand, gravel, and other quarry resources, and Section 59, the tax on delivery trucks and vans. Number 1. What is the maximum percentage that a province may levy and collect on the fair market value of ordinary stones, sand, gravel, and other quarry resources extracted from public lands or waters within its territorial jurisdiction? A. 5%. B. 10%. C. 15%. D. 10%. Answer, letter B, according to Article 227 Paragraph A of the Implementing Rules and Regulation, implementing Section 138 of the Local Government Code, the province may levy and collect not more than 10% of the fair market value in the locality per cubic meter of ordinary stones, sand, gravel, and other quarry resources. Number 2. Who is responsible for issuing permits to extract sand, gravel, and other quarry resources? A. The provincial governor. B. The Sangguniang Panlalawigan. C. The Department of Environment and Natural Resources. D. The mayor of the component city or municipality. Answer, letter A, Local Government Code states that the permit to extract sand, gravel, and other quarry resources shall be issued exclusively by the provincial governor. Number 3, how are the proceeds of the tax on sand, gravel, and other quarry resources distributed among the province, component city or municipality, and barangay? A. Province, 40%. Component city or municipality, 30%, barangay, 30%. B. Province, 30%, component city or municipality, 40%, barangay, 30%. C. Province, 30%, component city or municipality, 30%, barangay, 40%. D. Province, 40%, component city or municipality, 20%, barangay, 40%. Answer, letter C, the proceeds of the tax on sand, gravel, and other quarry resources are distributed as follows: province, 30%, component city or municipality, 30%, and barangay, 40%. Number 4, which of the following quarry resources is not subject to local taxes? A. Sand extracted from public lands. B. Gravel extracted from public rivers. C. Marble extracted from private lands. D. Basalt extracted from public lakes. Answer, letter C. Only quarry resources extracted from public lands are subject to local taxes. Quarry resources extracted from private lands are not within the taxing power of the local government. Number 5. What is the primary governing body responsible for creating ordinances related to the extraction of sand, gravel, and other quarry resources? A. The provincial governor. B. The Sangguniang Panlalawigan. C. The Department of Environment and Natural Resources. D. The mayor of the component city or municipality. Answer, letter B. The permit to extract sand, gravel, and other quarry resources is issued by the provincial governor pursuant to the ordinance of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan. Number 6. What is the maximum amount that can be charged for the tax on delivery trucks or vans? A. 250 pesos. B. 500 pesos. C. 750 pesos. D. 1,000 pesos. Answer, letter B. The tax on delivery trucks or vans cannot exceed 500 pesos per vehicle. Number 7. Which of the following entities subject to the tax on delivery trucks or vans is exempt from the tax on peddlers? A. Manufacturers. B. Producers. C. Wholesalers. D. All of the above. Answer, letter D. Manufacturers, producers, wholesalers, dealers, and retailers subject to the tax on delivery trucks or vans are exempt from the tax on peddlers. Number 8. What is the governing body responsible for determining additional products subject to the tax on delivery trucks or vans? A. The Department of Finance. B. The Bureau of Internal Revenue. C. The Sangguniang Panlalawigan. D. The Department of Trade and Industry. Answer, letter C. The Sangguniang Panlalawigan is responsible for determining additional products subject to the tax on delivery trucks or vans. Number 9. What type of tax is the tax on delivery trucks or vans? A. Progressive tax. B. Regressive tax. C. Proportional tax. D. Fixed tax. Answer, letter D. The tax on delivery trucks or vans is an annual fixed tax imposed on certain vehicles used for the delivery or distribution of specific products within the LGU. Number 10. Is the tax on delivery trucks or vans a one-time payment or an annual payment? A. One-time payment. B. Annual payment. C. Monthly payment. D. Quarterly payment. Answer, letter B. The tax on delivery trucks or vans is an annual fixed tax imposed on certain vehicles used for the delivery or distribution of specific products within the LGU. For more videos like this, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Comment your questions and clarifications below. For continuation of this video, please see the link in the comment section.